Hello everybody, this is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello my friends. I'm here with the AlignerCo update. So I just finished my 5th tray. I still got it in my mouth. And I'm on to the 6th tray. Do you guys believe how fast this process is going? A little too fast if you ask me. So that's the 6th tray. So let me tell you a little bit about the 5th tray. Well, when I put it in the first time, I felt a little pressure, but to me, I wasn't feeling enough pressure. But as time went on, I noticed I was getting a headache, and it didn't feel super tight, but it had to be tight because I was feeling a headache for like 4 or 5 days, and that was very unusual. So evidently, it must be more pressure was on my teeth at that time. But still, this was easy. Sometimes I felt pressure at night, and after like 5 days, then that went away. So being that I'm on the 6th tray, I'm wondering how this thing is going to turn out, y'all. I'm very, very nervous. So I'm going to get off camera and I'm going to take these trays, the 5th trays out. I'm going to show you whether there was any progress or anything. Still got that derm, big gap there, which they keep saying is going to close up by the time I'm finished. I don't know about that. But the teeth are straighter. Still a little gap between the teeth, but it's not that bad. Oh, another thing I forgot to add. I felt like my bite was off a little bit while I was eating. When I take them out to eat, I felt like my bite was off a bit, but it wasn't like super bad. So the bottom teeth, these are sticking up more. I think I said that in my last video. These are sticking up more. And they're definitely straighter. So I don't know who the genius was that thought moving the gap from here, because it still got a little gap, but it's not that bad, to here, that wasn't a good move. So if it closed up or closed a lot, I would understand it, but a gap is a gap, y'all. But the 2 front teeth are straightening. They're straightening. Let's see if I see anything else. I got a tiny triangle gap here. I could live with that though. Yeah. So I think it was, I felt pressure here and here in these areas, but it leaves a little bit more. So y'all, it's going okay, but I got 2 more trays left after the 6th tray. So let me put these 6 trays in. This is what the 6th tray, bottom tray looks like. It's a little tight, but it's not bad at all. Just a little tight. Oh, and here are the top ones. You can actually see the space between this tooth. So I don't understand why they didn't try to correct that. See, there's no space here, but you can see it on the side. And there's this little space here between the teeth. That's not cute, y'all. That's not cute at all. Oof. So you can see more of that space. They should be bringing that together more. Ooh, these hurt. So you have to keep these clean. And I use this detergent and water, and I take my brush and I brush it. I'm going to do a video showing that too, how I keep them clean. And I also use these tablets, and I put it in the water and let it soak a little bit and scrub it. They say they don't want you to soak them too long, so I try not to do that. After you eat and you're at a restaurant or something, get you a paper towel and wet it and wipe it off, you know, before you put it back in your mouth. Make sure that every time after you eat something, you brush your teeth. You have to floss, and you will need, you know, mouthwash, something to put in your mouth, a mint or something, because the longer I'm wearing them, I'm noticing that my mouth is dry. So it's going okay. Do I think that gap is going to close by the 8th tray? Nope, I don't. So I'm trying not to get up here and act like a fool, but if I get to that 8th tray and it's not working, if it's not getting any better, I'm going to try to be good, y'all, but I might act like a fool, okay? So this is how it's looking with it in. Again, you can try to wear these from 20 to 22 hours. 20 to 22 hours. Don't be taking a lot of long breaks. You will find yourself sometimes like kind of rushing your meals and stuff like that. By the way, if you are, because I have done this when I first started, taking them out while I'm cooking because I figure I'm going to eat soon. Keep them in while you're cooking, and as soon as you put the food on your plate, then you pop these out, okay? You scrub them, you know, whatever you use to keep them clean. Try to keep them clean. And they're saying that these are invisible. Not to me. And then sometimes I'm talking to someone, especially new people, and they're like, kind of looking like, why is her teeth looking like plastic? They don't say that, but I'd be thinking that. They look at you like, trying to figure them out. So if you think this is for you, check out the link below and try to grab yourself a good deal. If you're on a budget, everybody may not have a small budget, but if you do, try to find a coupon or take advantage of the sales around the holidays. They just had a 4th of July sale, and the price went down, you know, pretty good. So it's a process, y'all. It's a process. Okay. I noticed with some of the other brands, and I'm not going to specifically say the name of those brands, people have to get a file and file the trays down because they say it starts to hurt like up in here. I didn't have to do that not one time with AlignerCo. I did not have to file them down at all. So that's a good thing. What they don't have though is that machine that have like vibrations. They didn't have that. So I saw them online and I was thinking about getting it. I think it was like close to $200, but no. I wish they would have included that in the package, you know. And they also have a teeth whitening kit. I may do that and show y'all how it's working. Like my teeth are white, but it would look even better if it was whiter. I never had super yellow teeth. Except one time it was starting to get a little yellow. It was, I drink a lot of tea, you know. But, yeah. Also, to keep your gums and stuff healthy, you might want to get the ultrasonic teeth cleaning machine where you can take the water, it's like a water flosser, and you can get in the hard places much better and much easier. And that's a good thing that you might want to buy if you get these. Okay. All right, so we'll be coming back on the 7th tray, okay? And I'm going to tell y'all how the 6th tray panned out. I'm going to tell you how the 6th tray panned out. Okay? So you guys have a fabulous day. All right? Subscribe, please comment, please share.